Subscribe to Smart Tech channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates from us.
On video has been leaked today. The leaked video shows the front and back sides of the smartphone. There are thick bezels at the top and bottom of the smartphone as compared to the other leaks. This video can be fake because the chin is more thicker and front part of the smartphone looks like the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. A few days ago, the big news released the rendering of the suspected Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and then quickly deleted, seems to indirectly explain its authenticity. As can be seen from the renderings, Samsung Note 9 has little change in appearance, and is still familiar with the recipe. But the chin has become narrower. In addition to the rear dual lens size, the right side is equipped with LED flash and heart rate sensor. The spin style is with a golden appearance, quite eye-catching, but also with the help of Bluetooth technology has added many new features. Although the configuration and appearance have not changed much, but the 3.5mm headphone hole is reserved, the battery is increased to 4000 mAh, and the S Pen is strengthened. For star power, it is not a pinpoint upgrade. Still worthy of their expectations. However, compared with the generous brilliance of domestic manufacturers OV, the advantages of Samsung Note 9 are not very obvious.